Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now I want to make an update video on Tesla because we had an extraordinary day in the markets, but is this move sustainable? So I made a video yesterday talking about Tesla and saying don't get too greedy with the price action because we saw a lot of downside pressure on Tesla the last couple of weeks, and we did not expect Tesla to go any lower than our 200-day SMA. So right now we're looking at Tesla on the daily time frame, and so on a visual of what I just said, we did not expect Tesla to get any lower than this level. However, we did expect to see a back test of this line of support. And so in that video yesterday, I also mentioned that the stock market likes to move in a way where you can't predict its movement. So I said that we are going to get a back test here. But because I said that, watch us not get that back test, and we didn't get that back test. We started our way right back up again. But now the question is this a bull trap? So obviously we can't time the market. We have no idea about the craziness that runs this market. We can only go off a technical basis and make the best decision possible. And so this trend line right here, we have mentioned anytime we are above this trend line, we are extremely bullish on Tesla. However, if we're below this point, we are bearish. And so what we saw today was a break of not only our 100-day SMA, but this uptrend line. So we closed off the day extremely bullish. And so I posted a video right before this one. And if you are watching this video, I highly recommend you watch that video on the overall NASDAQ, because there's some crazy stuff happening on the charts there that could make Tesla explode in the short term. So I just want you guys to understand both sides of the argument. And so if you're only watching this video, you aren't going to get the full picture of what's going on. So I highly recommend you watch that video first, pause this video, go over there, and then come back, and you'll have a better understanding of what's happening. So with Tesla right now, if we can somehow backtest this level of support and then bounce off, that would be extremely bullish, because on our 30-minute time frame, we actually never backtested our level of support. We did, however, backtest our 100-day SMA, and then we were off to the races, but we never actually got a backtest of our uptrend line. And in this case, I do believe that this uptrend line is a very valuable level to watch. And so are we bullish on Tesla? No, not yet. If we can get a back test of this level and go up, I will become a lot more bullish. There's two things that need to happen for me to become bullish on Tesla in the short term. First thing being is if the NASDAQ can back test that level on my video that I mentioned previously. And the second being if Tesla can back test this level of support right here and shoot up. Those are the two things that if they happen, I'll be extremely bullish on Tesla in the short term. But if either one of those don't happen, then I will not be bullish on Tesla. So if we're looking at this on the daily time frame, I want to mention something on the MACD. So our MACD could potentially start to be turning right here. And so if you guys know anything about the MACD, if we start to get a crossover, that crossover is a buy signal. And so this indication right here and this sharp little turn up could be the bottom right here potentially on Tesla. However, we have not seen the cross yet, so we can't confirm anything just yet. Tesla could very well climb up here, get rejected by our signal line, and then just keep moving downwards. Also remember that yesterday our RSI was 26, which is slightly oversold. But today we did close off the day at a 44 RSI, so now we are in that middle zone. There's a lot of stuff happening on a technical basis that does lead me to believe that this could potentially be a bull trap. So we will know a lot better tomorrow if this is a bull trap or not, because of where the NASDAQ is currently sitting. If we break down from that level of support that we're on at the NASDAQ, then we will see a lot more downside pressure, and then we will see a lot more downside pressure here for Tesla as well. However, on the daily, we could be seeing this turn of our MACD, but we are not yet bullish. I do believe that the next couple days are going to be absolutely crucial for our next 3 to 6 months. And so if we get this crossover on our MACD, as well as the NASDAQ bouncing off of support, we are going to be extremely bullish on the overall NASDAQ and Tesla, but we are going to find out better because we're going to get a lot more information from the Fed these next couple days that are going to impact how people are going to invest their money. But that's all I can give you guys today. That is all we have for now. When we get more information about the NASDAQ tomorrow and the next day, it will give us a better picture. Right now, there's just a whole lot of volatility going up and down. I would not be investing in this market currently. We want to settle into a spot where we know for sure that the market is either on a downtrend or an uptrend. Right now, we could have just seen a major bull trap. So I just wanted to make this update video so you guys don't go crazy and start throwing your money in Tesla, because this could be a bull trap. But on the other side, this could be the beginning of a crazy run. So two sides of the story. Always have two sides on the market. You can never time it. I'm not saying I can time the market. I am just giving technical pictures that may potentially give you a better outlook on the stock market to make better financial decisions with your own money. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs. So if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.